Hey guys, Stock Sniper Mike, and I'm back again with the 2-minute drill. Here to give you guys 2 minutes of one crazy week of trading. August trading is here, and what a way to start August trading. We had one of the best weeks we've ever had so far to start the new month of August. We were able to continue that green streak we got going and came out with our 28th straight green week in the books, profiting a total of $2,808, going only 4 for 7 on our trades. We only won 57% of our trade, but we still were able to profit $2,800, and that's the best thing about our strategy. This week, I'm not even going to talk about the Dow because it was such a great week in Sniper, and there was so much great information and a lot of lessons to be learned. The first one, if you're able to stick to the #1 rule and cut your losses and let your winners win, you could do this too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over 3 of our best wins, 2 of them $1,000 plus, and the last one $700 plus, in only 4 minutes, and our 2 biggest losses because they were the same thing and they weren't too big. Like I said, sticking to the #1 rule and cutting our losses. So let's start off where the week started. Early on Monday morning, we set ourselves up to close out the month and the week last week with an OTC first green day, RVVTF. And we held it overnight, looking for the potential second green day and gap up. And that's what we got to start the month of August. We got a gap up, and we took the bag. We bought the stock late on Friday at 26 cents as it was holding a nice support area on first green day with FDA phase 3 coronavirus news. And we took the gap up when we had it, selling it at 31 cents and making a total of 19% on our money. When you got 20% to start the month and a $1,000 bag, why not take it? No need to stress. If it's gonna go up or down, take the bag and find the next one. There will always be another opportunity. And there was. And this one was a listed stock. And this one was another $1,000 bag. This one was a listed New York Stock Exchange stock. Something the snipers don't do too much. The listed New York Stock Exchange oil stock, WLL, is one we've played in the past. And it lined up with one of our favorite patterns, a first green day. Last time we played it, we made $1,300 on it. And the first time we shorted it, we made another $1,000 on it. So we knew what we were in for, and we liked the setup that it was having with the first green day. It broke $1 late during power hour, so we decided to buy it right at that spot using 98-cent VWAP as cut. And when the first green day closed that high a day, we knew shorts were on their heels. And post-market, because listed stocks do move from 4 to 8, this stock got a squeeze. And we were able to sell half of it on the squeeze up at 134. We held the other half looking for a gap up the next day because last time we played this stock, it got huge gap up. Unfortunately, this time it didn't get the gap that we were thinking, so we took the bag again, taking a total of 30% on your money and just over $1,200. And this was all done from 3:45 p.m. on Tuesday to 7:30 a.m. on Wednesday. Not a long time to make $1,200 and 30% on your money. And it's funny I bring that up because the next bag happened even quicker than that. This one is one of our favorite plays, and it's a pattern that's quick, but if you're ready for it, you can make a lot of money. This is a panic dip buy. And this happened in a very overextended OTC penny stock, OPTI, a stock we actually played when it broke from a sub penny to a penny, not even too long ago. The stock skyrocketed all the way to the 19 cents on a couple green days, and we knew a big panic had to be coming. And late on Thursday evening, it happened. We were able to buy OPTI as it panicked its way all the way, almost 50% on the day, going from the 15-cent area all the way down to 10-cent long-term support. And we had this on the watch list, waiting for this moment. So we put the buy limit in and got filled at 10.9, looking for a quick bounce as the L2 shifted and green candles started to come in. We got what we wanted, and we saw 15% in 5 minutes. So we had to take the bag, making a total of $767 in 5 minutes, That's just over $100 every minute. You don't find that too many other places. But the stock market, unfortunately, is not all about winning. And the winning is the fun part, but there are losses to it. So I'm just gonna go over the 2 losses quickly and show you if you're able to manage your losses, cut them, and move on and find out that there's gonna be a new opportunity the next day, even that day, you will be successful in this game. So we took 2 OTC stocks as they were playing the same pattern, an OTC multi-month high, both of them breaking out of 52-week highs. HVBTF was the first one. This was a Bitcoin play that was kind of following the Bitcoin prices, so we knew if Bitcoin gapped down, this will probably gap down with it. And the next was MDRPF. And this was a metal play that we played in the past and made money off of, so we wanted to try it again on another 52-week breakout. Both of the plays very similar the next day and opened up with gap downs. And when it's gapping down right to our cup point, there's no need to stress out and hold and hope. You always want to cut your losses, and that's what we did here. We cut instantly at MDRPF at 130 and we got in at 134. So we only lost 3% there and $168. And with HVBTF, it gapped down as well. But this one was because Bitcoin gapped down the next morning. So we knew we were in trouble and had to get out right away. No need to hold and hope. So we put our sell limit in and got out at 415 when we entered at 4.3 the day before, only losing about 3.5% on our money, $180. But this just proves to you, if you're able to stick to the #1 rule, cut your losses, and stick to the sniper plan and the sniper patterns, you will be able to consistently profit and one day make $2,800 plus in a week in the market. If you don't follow us on social media, make sure to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and StockTwits. We post stuff daily, great content every day. Also, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe below. Hit the subscribe button. I do this once a week to review our week. Stock Sniper Nick goes over a watch list every Tuesday to go over our Tuesday night watch list, and Stock Sniper Alex gives you a daily tip that will help you out every day in the stock market. And we are crossing milestones after milestone. We just crossed 120,000 in profit, and the whole thing is logged on Profitly, the website profit.ly. Check us out under Stock Snipers. You can see every single one of our wins, losses, all of our stats right here. And my favorite part about it is it shows we have won just as much as we lost. So just like this week, a 50% win ratio and still able to come out with 120,000 plus in profit. And last but not least, if you are not part of the team, you need to check us out. We'd love to have you. We got tons of traders, from beginners all the way to advanced traders. We got a chat room, we got daily watch lists, we do weekly webinars and trade reviews on there. And plus, you could contact the snipers 24/7 when you're in the chat with us. So check us out at www.thestocksnipers.com. We have a big announcement coming out and prices are actually going to be going up. So make sure to snag the founding rates while you can and while they're still there. Alright guys, another great week in the book. Great way to start August. We're starting up 2,800. It's gonna be hard to go red from here, but meet me here next week and we'll see if we can go for our 29 straight green week. Alright, see you here for another week next week. Stock Sniper Mike, out!